Welcome back to this session. I received a comment from one of my viewers, and they had a complaint about missing window markers in plan, despite the fact that a thing has been set in the window settings. So I did the same scenario in my work. So let me just open it to show you what one of my viewers was trying to explain. So when you select this window and you go to its settings, you're going to see clearly that the window ID is already set as W05. Then in the marker settings, you can see that it is set as element ID. It should be clearly showing in the plan, but what could be the problem? So normally the problem is the model view options or the layer options. So let me first try the model view options to see if it will come back. So there are two options of accessing the model view option. We have one here at the bottom, that is the easiest. Then the other one is you are going to document a model view options. So let me just use this down here. So when you click on that icon, it will bring you straight to the model view option dialog box, and you see the door options and the window options. So in this dialog box and the window options, you can see clearly that the window plan is visible. However, the window marker is turned off. When we check this box here, you're going to see in the preview that the marker will come back. So after doing that, you will have to store that setting, and make sure you store it in the view that you're working in, that is the drafting mode. Check that label drafting and click store, replace. After doing that, you click OK. So you see all your markers will come back here. So that was the problem. In case you come across it, that is the only way of handling it. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.